Hello my friends, hope you're fine and doing well, and welcome to the first day of our journey in the department of analysis. Today we want to learn some basics about French language structure which help us create a few basic sentences. So let us enjoy this amazing day together. A preview of what we are supposed to learn today together. So, let's start with subjective pronouns. Let me ask you a question. How do you start a phrase in your own language? Think about it for a second. Well, in French language, we start either with a subject, for example, Mr. Jefferson, my father, and so on, or we start with a subjective pronoun, which is I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or they. And now we want to learn subjective pronouns in French language. Let's start.
Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle.
Alright, I got it, but actually these two are not 100% clear for me. I mean, what is the difference between
Il,
and?
elle.
Well, if we are talking about a group of male people, I mean with male gender, in this case, we use
Il,
and if we are talking about a group of male and female people, I mean a mixed gender group, in this case we use
il,
and if we are talking about a group of female people, I mean a group with female gender, in this case we use
elle.
and that is a difference. Now let's talk about
Vous,
it has two meanings. First one, you as a plural subjective pronoun. Check the example. Hello, how are you? In this case, I am talking to a group of more than one person. So I use
vous,
Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Number two, polite form of you. Check the example. Hello, sir. How are you? This is a formal form. In this case, I use
vous,
Bonjour, monsieur, comment allez-vous?
a miracle named en. What is it? It has two meanings. Number one, it is equal to,
nous,
for example, if I want to say Jean and I, we are French, I have two options. Either I can say,
Jean et moi, nous sommes français.
or I can also say,
Jean et moi, on est français.
Number 2. It has a general meaning. For example, when one is sick, one is tired. Who is this one? Well, we don't know. Generally, when one is sick, one is tired. That is where we use en.
Quand on est malade, on est fatigué.
Now there's one more question. Where is the position of en in this chart? Well, I talked to them, and as I understood, if this is
Il,
and this is,
elle,
then en is in the same group. Regardless of the meaning of en, it will always remain in this group. It's time to learn our new verbs. Let's start with to be.
être. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. On est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont.
Next one, to be called.
S'appeler. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. On s'appelle. Nous nous appelons. Vous vous appelez. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle.
Now it's time to practice. Let's do it together.
Remember. Remember.
Alright everyone, let's have a review. Today, we learned subjective pronouns in French language. We also learned about en, and we also learned 2 new verbs in French language. We also learned how to support the channel by subscribing, right? Did we? Alright my friends, that is the end of the first day of our journey in the department of analysis. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked this episode. Please Do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. And your comments are always helpful. If you want to learn to start a conversation confidently in French language, check this video. And if you want to learn how to manage a conversation in a bakery using French language, this video is for you. Thanks a lot and see you next time!